Is TikTok on its way out this month? Let's break down the latest news surrounding potential bans and what it means for you. First, let's address the burning question, is a ban actually happening this month? Well, the situation is complex and constantly evolving. Several countries, including the US and some European nations, have been considering or implementing restrictions due to data security concerns. The core issue revolves around the potential for the Chinese government to access user data collected by TikTok and ByteDance, its parent company. These concerns have led to government employees in some regions being prohibited from using the app on governmentist devices. India has already banned TikTok. In other countries, like the US and Canada, the debate continues with ongoing legal challenges and negotiations. The actual timeline for any broader ban is still uncertain and can change rapidly due to political and legal factors. So, what does this all mean for you, the user? If you're a casual user, it might mean finding alternative platforms or adapting to potential disruptions. For content creators, it's crucial to diversify your platforms. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore YouTube, Instagram Reels, or other emerging platforms to secure your audience. Stay informed. Subscribe to this channel for the latest updates on TikTok and other social media news. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and share it with your friends so they can stay in the loop too.